thank you, the future governor. To His Excellency, my president, my name is Gol Kombedo Michael. I'm a resident of Kibra and Langata Slum. Baba, if you want, Baba, you have mentored us, you are our political father. The people, the leaders that were voted on account of their digital ages, the leaders that were voted on account of what they can do, Baba, you should sit down and these people go in front to work for you. We don't want a situation where these leaders are just following you, but they are doing absolutely nothing at the ground. For instance, Baba, you launched ODM membership registration drive. Baba, most of constitution in this country, most of the wards, most of the counties, these governors, these MPs, these MCAs, these senators, and these women reps, they are doing absolutely nothing. Baba, sometimes I see you going to Somalia, sometimes part of Somalia. Baba, I see you go to Migori, go to Siaya, go to Mombasa, in the name of Kenyans. Yet the people that you fought for, yet the people that you nominated, yet the people that you gave certificate are doing absolutely nothing, Baba. We the youths, we should work. Baba is an old person. Baba is giving us advices and wisdom. Let's push for these things. Let's go to the streets. Let's not wait for Baba. Baba, to the youth of Nairobi, we are going to work from Ugenya, from Nairobi, and other parts of the country, Baba. We need to work as a team. Baba, sit and watch your people work for you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.